Need to hurry. What?
Thank you for rescuing me.
Rescuing me.
No! What? Don't worry, I'll get him out. Help me! Help me!
My son!
He's waiting outside.
We're flying right over the Sunset Bridge. Something or someone has. Hey, babe.
Need to hurry.
What are they? Help! What's wrong with this city?
Thanks. Sunset Bridge is just ahead. How could anyone do this?
Jane.
Amy, Harry, the chaos of the city's increasing.
Well, it's about that. It seems like Goldman.
Wait, we'll talk later. don't care who it is, no one's gonna get away with this.
It's been a while, hasn't it? My friends from the AMS? It's me, Goldman. Well, the 1998 curing case. Guess who's behind it? It was Goldman. He's the head one of the most eminent financial group and an expert on the genome theory. We have to stop him. James, back me up.
Okay.
Are you all right, James?
Yeah, I'm hanging on.
Help me! Help me! No! No! Help! Help! Thanks for saving me.
Yes, this is Amy. Yes. Yes. It seems that Goldman left a message for us.
What? From Goldman?
Well, he says that he'll be waiting at the Colosseum on the north side of the city.
The Coliseum? Might be a trap. Let's go on.
James! Over there! James! Over there!
What the? James, you go from the underground passage. We'll go this way.
Okay.
I'll call you when something happens.
Don't kill me!
My friend went inside, but they're not back yet. I told them not to go. What is it? I'll get you.
happening?
Amy? What happened, Amy?
Everything's set. All we need to do is wait.
What happened to Amy and Harry? Have to hurry.
Don't kill me!
I ran from the Colosseum. Thanks for saving me.
Help me! Help me!
Thank you.
Is this the Colosseum?
People of the AMS, I am Goldman. I don't care if you people try to get in my way or not. In time you'll find out who's right. This is a present from me to you. Look at your left.
Amy! Harry!
Well, friends, I look forward to meeting you people again.
Amy! Harry! Are you alright?
I'm alright. But Harry's...
No!
James! The car's parked in the city square. The top floor. Building at point A0063. He's there. Go, James!
Thanks, Harry. Goldman, I'm not gonna let you get away with this.